I think a sketch is a good shout for this question. Sketch of a clock, here we go. Right, and I'm going to label on 12, 1, 2, 3, and so on. I'm roughly going to put 8:14 on the clock. So I've got the middle roughly here. So 14, this is the minute hand. It's going to be a little bit before 15. And then 8 is going to be, so it's going to have gone about a quarter of the way between 8 and 9. Very important not to put it on 8. It moves as the minute hand moves, but just not as quickly. So maybe it's about there. Right. So I can split this up into some well, not triangles, they're going to be sectors. And there's 360 degrees in a full turn. It's going to be 12 sectors going round, so each one is 30 degrees. That's worth knowing, to be fair. Each one of these is 30 degrees, so between 3 and 8, I've got 5 of them, so it's 5 times 30, 150 degrees. Okay, we're off to a good start. But we've got these little bits left over. Okay, I need to work out this angle here, and then also this angle here. So let me deal with the minutes to start with. Right, well, the minutes, every hour, so minute hand, every hour, the minute hand will move around the whole 360 degrees. So it's going to move around a fraction. It's going to be 14 over 60 multiplied by 360. And the 60, so let me just say that again. So it's going to move around 60 minutes in an hour, and now it's moved around 14 minutes. So the fraction that it's moved around the whole clock is 14 over 60. The whole angle is 360, so I'm finding the fraction of 360. And actually, I can do 360 divided by 60, so I'm going to do 14 times 6, which gives 84. Now, we've got 1, 2, 3 here. Sectors. So that means it's going to move 90 degrees between 12 and 3. So that means this little bit here is going to be 6 degrees because it's 90 minus 84. Another approach, if you prefer, is to say, well, it's gone, there's actually just 5 minutes between here and here, and it's moved 4 of them. So it's actually moved 4/5 of the way from 2 to 3. So it's moved 4/5 of 30. And that gives 24. So it's moved 24 degrees. It's got to move 30 in total. So it's 30 minus 24 is 6. Either way, we get an angle of 6 degrees, and we've sorted the minute hand part of this problem. That just leaves us the hour hand part of the problem. Now we know in 1 hour, the hour hand moves 30 degrees. So actually, I'm going to focus on that now, just like I did with the 360. So for the hour hand, it would have gone 14 60ths of 30 degrees. 30 divided by 60 is just a half, so it's a half of 14, it's 7 degrees. Actually, that's how much it's moved here, 7 degrees. And we're there. Overall, we've moved 150 degrees here, and when we've moved 6 and 7, 6 and 7, 13, plus 150 gives 163 degrees. There's alternative ways of doing this problem. I quite like using this approach though. Find the 30-degree segments and then just deal with the minute and the hour separately. Just be careful as you do it. But that is our answer.